Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to turn this really fun grapevine bee into a really cute door hanger. We're going to add in a bow and we're going to add in some really cute little florals. And of course, we are going to add in this really cute bee pick. So come along, come hang out with me. Welcome in. I'm going to start off by doing a bow, and I'm going to put the bow through this grapevine and just attach it right to the center. So I'm only going to be using 1.5-inch ribbon today because I don't want the bow to overwhelm this design, but I think it would be really, really cute to add in a fun bow. So I'm going to grab this fun polka dot and yellow ribbon, and we're going to do 6-inch tails, and we're going to keep it at the 5-inch loops. 6-inch tails, 5-inch loops. And I'm going to do, let's do a different kind of bow. Let's do 3 of these. So 3 loops, 2 tails. 3 loops, 2 6-inch tails, and we're going to come in. I'm going to use this black and white ribbon. Love this plaid ribbon to go with our design. We're going to stick with that 5-inch loop, so we're going to measure at the 10. Do that 5-inch loop, and we're going to do 3 of these also. So 3 black and whites. And then we are going to do a 6-inch tail. And then I'm going to come in with this bee ribbon for the top. Of course, same thing, 6-inch tail. And then we're going to stay with that 5-inch loop. 1, 2, 3. And what we're going to do for the 3rd loop is we're going to flip that ribbon opposite direction and then flip it around our thumb for that center loop. So that makes 3 loops for this one as well. And a 6-inch tail. So next I'm going to grab a cable tie. We're going to thread that through right where we're holding all of this fun ribbon. And we're going to start it, but we're not going to finish it. Start it just a little bit. And we're going to grab a pipe cleaner and thread it through. We really only need half a pipe cleaner. Let's do half. We can save the other half for another project. So we're not wasting too much. Clip that cable tie off. I'm going to twist this around the pipe cleaner just a little bit. And then I'm going to lay my bow out and kind of just fluff up these loops and pull the tails around how I want them. That's fun. That's so fun. All right, so I'm going to lay the bow down on the table, and we're going to fold all of our ribbon tails in half and cut up at an angle, and that is called dovetailing. Whoop. Fold in half. Oh, oopsies. I'm have to cut that over. Fold in half. Cut up at an angle. Fold in half. This one seems long. Hold on, we're gonna cut like an inch off of that one. Fold in half. Cut up at an angle. Same thing. All the way around. I think I got them all. All right, perfect. Let's get that trash out of here. So right here, I'm going to go underneath the grapevine, and we're going to attach this super cute bow right in the middle of our bee. And we're just going to twist that pipe cleaner around and around and around, and then cut off any extra pipe cleaner that might be there. And then we're going to tuck that down underneath the grapevine. And now we get to play with the bow And kind of move everything around. Fluff out that bow. Make it beautiful. Kind of make sure everything looks nice and even. Oh my gosh, that's already so stinking cute, y'all. What do y'all think? So far, so good. Have any of y'all ever made something on a grapevine base like this before? So what I'm going to do is we're going to start off. I grabbed 2 of these. I love this bush. I did get it last year from Michaels. It's a pusher. I don't know if they're going to have it again this year, but I do love it. I'm going to cut 4 of these off. I love this. And then we're going to come with this bush and add a little bit of that yellow. And we're going to do 4 of these. And honestly, my friends, I don't remember where I got this yellow bush from, but we're going to do 4 of those. Okay. I'm just going to push them all the way up. These are pushers too. Oh, Lord. Sorry, guys. Hold on. I pushed it too much. It happens. It happens. We're going to put that right back on there. I didn't know it was already at the top. Okay. Push this one all the way up. And push this one all the way up. Perfect. Some of these stems are going to be a little too long. Let me clip those off already because I know. Okay, so now I'm going to start filling in underneath the bow with these really fun florals. Push it up. How beautiful that is. And I'm just going to start, I'm going to do 4 and just go around and start adding these, put a little bit of glue on them, and then adding them right underneath our bow. So today I'm using my Surebonder glue pot. It is off camera, but I just dip it in. It should be the consistency of honey. And then I'm going to stick that right underneath my bow. And just add in some floral. I'm going to start off with the white and kind of just put it in like an X pattern all the way around. So we go 1, we'll go straight across, dip it in the glue, stick it right in. Okay. And we can kind of manipulate it so it pops out. Super, super cute. We're going to go in between, do the same thing. We're going to stick it in glue. And guys, if y'all don't have a glue pot, totally okay. You can use a glue gun. Totally, totally fine. We're going to make an X. Put that right on underneath the bow. So this is just some filler floral just to make it nice and cute. Go in. Stick it right underneath that bow. Kind of manipulate those little flowers up so you can see it. Oh, cute, 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 cute. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to take the yellow and we're going to go in between the white and stick these in next. And we're going to do 4 of these as well. And I just kind of lift up that bow to get it out of the way. And these have these really fun little vines. So I'm going to pull these vines up and through the bow. See that? So it kind of just gives it a little bit more texture. So we're just going to go around again in between the white. Underneath the bow, be careful. Be careful. Another one of those little vines. I'm going to gotta manipulate it and pull it up and out. So it gives our bow some fun little texture coming out of it. Same thing right in between those white florals that we just added. Oh, fun. Fun, 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 fun. This is such a cute spring design. Those little vines up. Okay, so now we can kind of manipulate where we want those ribbon tails to hang out, where we want the florals to show through our bow. We got our vines kind of poking out and having a good old time. Just gives it a little bit more dimension. So right in between those white flowers, we stuck the yellow. And that is looking at it from the top. So now I am going to grab these really fun bees and we're going to nip these off. And I'm going to bend this wire like that so it has, I can stick it underneath the bow again, okay? And they're just going to come up and out of the top of my wreath. So if this is going to be hanging, we kind of want to make sure that our bees are also going up so you can see them. So we're going to dip that right into our glue pot. Find a good little place. Push that in. And then I kind of bent that wire a little bit too. I was looking right at you guys. I love that. So we can just bend these wires a little bit. The wings are bendable as well. So we can just play around with that. We can totally play around with that. And honestly, I know this wire like is supposed to hang like this, but I think I want this to hang like this, like at a diagonal. I think that would be cuter. So I think I'm going to take this jute off and retie it like here, right? So it's like hanging up at an angle a little bit. Okay, so this guy we're going to bend them, manipulate those wires, and stick them in some glue. Find a good little nook for him. Same thing with this guy. And we're going to put him towards the base. Nook him right into that bow. Pop him up. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is so cute. Super fun, super easy design. They're looking at ya. They're looking at ya. How fun is that? How fun. Super quick, super easy. Oh, let me fix that. That's gappy. That was gappy. Super easy design. And it's just adorable. It's just adorable. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this fun, easy tutorial. Hopefully inspired you to grab one of these grapevines. They come in so many different fun designs. And hopefully you can design something beautiful with it. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Also, if you want to purchase any of my designs, you can do so on my website, theSouthernOwls.com. You can also sign up to be a subscriber over there as well. And I do sell wreath kits. So if you're new to the channel and you would like to purchase a wreath kit, head on over to my website, to the shop, and you can see what I have in stock. Bye everyone.